everyone, welcome back to my channel Beautikaaholic. So if you are new here, my name is Manu Singh. I make a beauty, fashion and lifestyle kind of content and makeup artist content for sure. So in today's video, I have bring you something very different thing, which is Valentine gift options for you. So Valentine Day is around the corner, and if you are looking for a perfect gift to show that special someone just how much they mean to you without breaking the bank, you are in the right place. Today I am super excited to share two amazing gift boxes from Salty Jewelry that will totally steal the show no matter your budget. So let's dive right in. For those of you working with a budget of under 600, you can still treat your loved one to something truly throughout and luxurious. Let me show you what's inside the gorgeous box. First off, this box comes in the most beautiful packaging. It's all about presentation and Salty Jewelry nailed it. You will also get a sweet Valentine's Day card that you can personalize with your own message. Inside you will find this stunning heart magnetic clover necklace in a rose gold. It's a delicate, romantic and truly a timeless piece that anyone would adore. Plus it has that magical charm. Literally, the heart clover design symbolizes love and luck, making it a meaningful gift. Next up, this silver hug promise ring. How cute is this? It's adjustable, so you don't have to worry about getting the size exactly right, and it's anti-tarnish feature means it will stay shining for years to come. Now, if you have a little extra to spend and want to go all out with something truly special, this next gift box priced under 1500 is absolutely stunning. Let's see what's inside. First of the packaging, again it's die for. This gorgeous salty purple box feels so premium and will definitely have your loved one feeling extra special when they open it. You also get a personalized Valentine Day card, and if you know Salty Jewelry, you will love the throwout touches they add to each box. Now let's talk about these teardrop chunky gold earrings. These are bold, elegant and the perfect statement piece for anyone who loves a little sparkle. They are perfect for dressing up any look for a romantic date night. If you know someone who loves variety, this set of 6 butterfly drop earrings and studs has a little something for every occasion, whether they want something cute or playful or a little more chic. And check out this set of 5 lilac golden hoop earrings. I love how versatile these are. You can mix and match them with so many outfits from casual to dressy. Of course, we have got the heart magnetic clover necklace again, but this time it's a pair with a silver hug promise ring, both of which tie the whole gift together beautifully. And for that extra touch of sweetness, this box also includes kisses, chocolates. I mean, what's Valentine Day without a little chocolate, right? How amazing are these gift boxes? Whether you are looking for something sweet, simple under 600, or you want to go all out with the 1500 rupees box. So do let me know in the comment section which gift you are going to choose for your loved one, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Okay guys, see you in the next video. Bye bye.